Now we can use our drop 2 method. Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Have you ever tried to play rich sounding chords during a worship set, only to feel like everything sounded muddy and overcrowded? It's frustrating when your best efforts to support the music just end up clashing with the rest of the band. In this video, we're going to learn how to use drop 2s. Drop 2 concept is taking the second highest note of a chord. We can take this F chord. The second highest note would be the F. We take that note and we put it on the bottom, which now gives you more space to work with. Instead of everything sounding together, now it's spread out. So we can take a song like "'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus." The first thing we have to do is find out what the melody is. All right, so we found that melody. Now we put chords around it. Now we can use our drop 2 method. Take the second highest note and put it in the bass. So we can take the same concept with any song. We could take a song like "What a Friend We Have in Jesus." All right, let's do our chord. Now let's add our drop 2. So we could take another song like "Blessed be the name of the Lord." Let's do our chord. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Now let's add our drop 2. I'm going to call that a lesson. Guys, if you're enjoying these awesome lessons, I would love it if you go and tell somebody about it. Go and share this with your friends and your loved ones. And of course, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.